Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to disable time intelligence in Power BI. So let's start. I've got this Power BI file open here with me and I'll quickly take you through the fields I've got on the right side. So I've got dim date, but it doesn't have a date column per se. And then I've got dim product where I don't have a date column either. And then I'll go into fact internet sales and you can say I've got due date, order date and ship date. So I've got three dates in this model. And I've connected to this model using the DAX editor, and you can see that it's created three date hierarchies. So this hierarchy is not externally visible, but this has been created internally by Power BI. So now what happens when we go and disable time intelligence? So one is we learn how to disable time intelligence, and then we'll see what happens when you do that. So to disable time intelligence, you go to File, Options and Settings, and then you again go to Options, and then on the left hand side you can see global settings. So we're not concerned about the global setting. We'll look at the current file setting. We'll go to data load and we'll uncheck this time intelligence and we'll hit OK, and you can see that ship date is, the date type is gone, order date it is gone, and due date also it is gone. And now let's just go back to the model and refresh the metadata. And you can see that the date hierarchy which was created internally has also disappeared. What happens is that when we go into Files, Options and Settings, Options, and we uncheck the time intelligence at the current file level, it disables all the hierarchies or date time hierarchies it creates internally. So in this video, we've explored how to disable time intelligence in Power BI and what are the impacts of that. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.